You know what caught my attention? This tool called omarchy. It can turn a fresh Arch installation into a web development system with just one command.
Wait, seriously, just one command? That seems like a game changer, but what does it actually set up for you?
It's designed to provide a fully configured environment based on Hyprland, so you get all the essential tools without that tedious setup.
Right, so it's opinionated in a way that saves time. But doesn't that come with constraints on customization?
Exactly, it's a double-edged sword. If you like freedom in selecting tools, that might be a downside, but I love the idea of quick setup.
But what if someone wants to adjust things later? Is it flexible enough to modify or extend?
That's a good point. It's opinionated, sure, but it should allow room for tweaking. I think they built it with that in mind.
Still, I wonder how well it integrates with existing tools. Suppose someone is already using certain setups.
Well, from what I read, it comes with several popular tools pre-installed, so it might not clash if you're careful.
But doesn't that assume everyone needs those specific tools? Maybe someone prefers different options.
True, that could be limiting. Still, it's aimed at people who want speed over customization. It's all about the trade-offs.
That makes sense. And I guess for beginners, it's an excellent way to dive into web development.
Right, no need for bespoke configs, just install and go. It's definitely appealing for newcomers.
But how does omarchy keep up with all the latest tools? Is it regularly updated?
Great question. The team claims to stay on top of trends, but I wonder about the speed of those updates.
I mean, that's critical, right? Technology moves fast, especially in web development. Any lapse could be problematic.
Exactly, it'll be interesting to see how they handle that. But hey, it's open source under the MIT license.
So users can tinker with it if needed. That adds a layer of flexibility while keeping the initial setup easy.
Right, kind of like having your cake and eating it too, I guess. A quick start and room for exploration.
But I wonder if that attracts more advanced users or just casual ones. What's the target audience here?
I think it's a mix. Ideal for newbies, but could also appeal to devs needing a fast setup on the go.
That's a smart approach. Still, would seasoned developers find it limiting in the long run?
Possibly, but if they collaborate on the platform, it could evolve based on user needs. Community input is key.
That's a good insight. Community-driven updates might mitigate some of those concerns over time.
Exactly, and it's exciting to think about where omarchy could go with a collaborative approach.
So pulling this all together, omarchy might pack simplicity, productivity, and community engagement.
Pretty much, it's all about weighing the pros and cons, especially personal needs in web development.
Absolutely. But still, there's the lingering question of whether it can keep evolving with tech.
Yeah, that's crucial. As tools and trends shift, can omarchy adapt without compromising its essence?
That's the million-dollar question. I'll be curious to see how it addresses that down the line.
For sure, it'll be fascinating to watch the development. So where do you think we'll go from here?
I think watching user feedback will be key. The community will likely shape how robust it becomes.
Totally agree. It's an exciting time for tools like omarchy, especially if they embrace innovation.
And maybe we'll find out more as more people start using it. But for now, the potential is intriguing.
Absolutely, so let's keep an eye on what happens with omarchy and its community.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how this unfolds in the ever-evolving world of web development.